I had lunch with Sui today. I had lunch with Sui today.
Your ex-girlfriend. Your ex-girlfriend.
Yes, we bumped in each other at the store. Yes, we bumped into each other at the store.
She backed in town. She backed in town. She back in town.
Yeah, she moved back last month. Yeah, she moved back last month.
Are you going to see her again? Are you going to see her again?
I'm single now, so I asked her on a date. I'm single now, so I asked her on a date.
What did she say? What did she say?
Yes, we have more coaching up to do. Yes, we have more coaching up to do.
Ask Sui if she keeps in touch with Karen, my ex-girlfriend. Ask Sui if she keeps in touch with Karen, my ex-girlfriend. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel.